Hey everybody, so we are back at my buddy's place. Today we're continuing on with the engine rebuild. What we're going to be doing, the part that nobody likes to do, and that's the cleaning part. We're going to be doing the sandblasting and all that. There's some things you need to know. So when you're sandblasting, you want to make sure you wear protective eyewear, respirator, dust mask. Hood is even better if you have it, and gloves and all that. If you don't wear that stuff, you get it in your eyes and everything. So make sure you wear protective equipment, and when you're using that nozzle, keep the hand that's not using the nozzle away from the nozzle, because you don't want to impregnate yourself with whatever type of medium you're using. So we're going to get to it. We're going to get all set up and all that, and then we'll get to it.
So we're pretty much all set up here. Got the glove on. I forgot my other glove. So, which means I'm going to be like Alanis Morissette. Got one hand in my pocket while I'm going to do this. All that. So we are getting ready to go here. I'll get it hooked up and we'll go from there. Go away.
And like I said, you want to make sure you have your proper PPE on while you're doing this and all that. Nothing. That's up to you if you want to have anything on. Just do your best and get what you can to help protect you. All that. You can tell I'm wearing long sleeves. I have the one glove. Forgot one glove. I have my respirator here, and I have my goggles. All that. So we'll get to it. Like I said, the best thing you do if you had a full body suit and hood and all that, that'd be your best if you ever decide to do this yourself. Okay?
So we're about ready to go here. I hope you can hear me. All that. Hello. And so let's get to it. We're going to start off with a small area. All that. Go ahead. Kind of hard to see, my glasses are fogging up. Go away. Go. I'm fogging up right here really bad, so I can't see what I'm doing. Hey.
So after I got it sandblasted, all that, got a lot of it cleaned up. You can see the casting marks, casting numbers. It's going to need to be bored and all that. A lot of the sleeves, or replace the sleeves. As you can tell, they are not looking good, especially like that. What I did was I took a honing stone. I just wanted to get it cleaned up to see what these sleeves look like. As you can tell, I think we need to do some stuff. But let them decide what I want to do. All that. But that's where we're at right now. After I did quite a bit of sandblasting, I took engine degreaser to it, and with the brush went over stuff, went over all the ports, Also cleaned out everything, blew it out with everything, all the holes, every single hole with air and all that. So, like I said, this is where we're standing out right now. Gonna have to decide what I do. Ooh, that one that's pitting in that one. Yep. So we'll go from there.